Hello and welcome to Online Education 8. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can sign up for a Wise personal account. You know, Wise is the #1 money transfer platform right now. You can transfer money to your friends or family over the world. In the same time, you can receive money from the freelance marketplace and Amazon affiliate platforms. Most people like Wise because it's easy to use and it's really transparent. Wise offer fast payment service. So this video topics is how we can create a Wise personal account and how we can get verified the personal Wise account. To do this process, you need to go Wise official website, and you can see here I am already in Wise official website, and this is the Wise official website homepage interface. And you can see here Wise logo, then here is the personal by default selected. In our previous videos, we have shown you that how we can create a Wise business account. If you need Wise business account, then you can check out this video. So this video topics is how we can create a Wise personal account, and you can see here I'm already in Wise official website. This is the Wise official website link, wise.com, and by default here is personal account selected. Now we need to click on the register button. Here you can see here register, login, help, pricing and feature. I'm interested to create an account with Wise, so I'm clicking on the register button. For your kind information, if you have an iPhone or Android phone, then you can download Wise apps and you can create Wise account from the Wise app. It's really simple and it's also better than the Wise web version. To create an account, we need to input our email first. This is our email and I'm clicking on the next button. And here we need to confirm our account type, business or personal. So this video topics is how we can create a personal Wise account. So I'm selecting the personal account. Here you can see here the country. We need to confirm our country. By default here is United Kingdom selected. So I'm clicking the continue button. Now we need to confirm our mobile number, and now we need to click on the send verification code. I'm clicking here. An OTP will be sent to our mobile and we need to input the code here. We have received the OTP code. And now we need to click on the submit button. I'm clicking here. And here you need to set your account password. Okay. You need to write minimum 9 characters password. Okay, now we need to click on the continue button. And you can see here we have successfully registered Wise account. And here we need to select our account using purpose. I mean, why we are interested to use Wise account. So I'm clicking here to open a balance, a new currency. Then we need to click on the let's go, and here we need to confirm the account holder personal details. Okay, first name, last name, and here we need to confirm the date of birth. So this is the personal details, and after inputting the personal details we need to click on the confirm button. I'm clicking here, and here Wise asking which currency we want to open. I'm interested to euro, then I'm clicking on the confirm button. Now I'm closing this interface. We need to verify our email. Yeah, you can see here a confirmation email has been received to our email. And now we need to click on the confirm your email button. I'm clicking here, and you can see here our email has been verified, and I'm clicking on the continue button, and this is the home page of Wise personal account. To verify our identity, we need to go our mobile phone, and we need to download the Wise apps, and there we will able to verify our identity within 1 minute. So I am going to my phone. So right now I am in my phone, and you can see here the Wise apps. You may know how we can install the Wise app from Play Store or App Store. So I have already installed my apps from Play Store. You can go to the Play Store, and you can search Wise, and you can see this Wise apps, and you need to install from there. I have already installed these apps, and I am able to open these apps. And now we need to click on the login, and OTP will be sent to our email. We need to confirm the login details, I mean login attempt, by verifying the OTP code. I have received the code. The code is 312399. Then we need to confirm. I'm clicking on the continue button. Okay, not now. And you can see here the name Adam Smith. Now we need to verify our identity. Okay, so to verify our identity, we need to click on the Euro account. It's loading, and you can see here get account details for your Euro balance. Click on there. I'm clicking here, and now we need to click on the continue button. You can see here we have fulfilled our personal details. Now we need to deposit 20 GBP, then we will able to verify our identity. I'm clicking on the make deposit button, and here you can see that 20 GBP already by default here, and no need to change anything. We need to click on the continue button. Here they're asking that how we can pay the 6 GBP. So you can use your debit card or credit card, or you can use Swift transfer. So I'm interested to do the manual bank transfer. I'm clicking here because I will send the money from my Pioneer account to this Wise account. I need to click on the I understand button, and here you need to select the sender details, I mean who will send the money to this Wise account. So by default here is selected yes, I am the account holder. Now I'm clicking on the continue button, and here is the bank details. I need to click on the I have made my bank transfer. First we need to select the ID issuing country, then we need to select the ID type. So I'm interested to verify this account with driving license. Now we need to click on the continue, take a photo, now we need to take a selfie. Click on the submit button. Here you need to click on the allow button, click on the continue button. Here Wise will ask you some question that your account using purpose. Please select on the first option, then click on the continue button. Click on the continue button. Okay, here will asking how much money you will transfer yearly. So you can select any amount, then click on the continue button. Source of income, you can select anyone. Okay, I'm selecting my salary, anyone income. So this is the process to verifying the wise personal account. Now I'm going back to my uh, computer dashboard. Okay, so this is the process to create personal wise account. And when the identity is verified, you will receive an email that your identity has been confirmed or verified. Then you will able to use your account, and this account will be fully functional after verifying your identity. Okay, so if you need any help about the voice related issue, then you can contact with us. In the same time, you can buy ready account from us in reliable price. Hope this video is useful for you, and if you have any question about this video, please leave your question in our comment section. In the same time, please like this video and share this video with your friends and family who really interested in voice. In the same time, if you are new in our channel, then please subscribe us, and your subscription will help us to grow our channel. See you in the next video with new topics. Till then, take care and be safe. Goodbye.